Welcome to the Nursing Virus YouTube channel. And this is me Loganathan, and this video regarding the job notification for the staff nurse vacancy from the state of Himachal Pradesh. For that Himachal Pradesh Staff Selection Commission, they have recently announced the staff nurse post. We'll see the complete detail about this post and what is the education qualification and what is the age limit and how to apply for this job and what is the last date and how they are going to recruit for this post. And so far, if you are not subscribed my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you will get all my notifications regarding the job vacancy and as well that MCQs for that various examination with the rationals. Click that advertisement related notice so you'll get that further page for checking that notification. So from here you can go for the advertisement number 364/2020, which is dated on 19/11/2020. So this is that new notification. So you can click that PDF file. So you will get that and separate PDF file to see the complete vacancy details. So open that PDF file for seeing the complete detail. So here the online application will get start from 21st November 2020 and the closing date for online recruitment application is 20th December 2020. So for applying for this post directly you can go to that official website, that is www.hpsssp.hp.gov.in. So this is the official website. You can go and apply for this post. So before this application process, we'll see what is the qualification for the post. First we'll see what is the number of post and salary pay scale for the staff nurse post. So you can scroll down so that the last serial number you can see the staff nurse post. Yeah, here under that serial number 34, under that health and family welfare for the staff nurse. Totally 28 members they needed for this vacancy. The pay scale will be 10,300 to 34,800 rupees plus the grade pay allowance is 3,200 rupees. The various post allocation for the general under the unreserved 9 members and EWS 6 members. Under the general category, ward freedom fighters 1 person. Under the SC 5 members. Under the SC ward freedom fighter 1. Under the OBC 5 members and OBC 1 person for the BBL candidate. So totally 28 members they needed for the staff nurse post. And here we'll see what is the age limit and as well the education qualification for the post. The age qualification minimum 18 years and maximum 45 years. And the upper age limit we have the relaxation for the various caste. That means that 5 years for that SC, ST and backward classes and person with disability and the children's and grandchildren's of freedom fighters of HP, that's Himachal Pradesh. And the upper age limit relaxation is also available for that following candidates like ex-serviceman candidate of HP according to that HP government rules. So the maximum age also we have high for even the general candidates also. That means the 45 till 45 years they can apply. And furthermore the education qualification for that staff nurse post we will see. Yeah, always remember that postal code, that is the 892 for the staff nurse. The education qualification is here. The basic is 10th and 12th they need to complete under that any board school of education, and the qualified A grade nurse under the diploma or in GNM nursing. And if you are BSc nursing, you should completed your BSc nursing in any recognized university or institution, and compulsory you have the registration number. And one more desirable qualification, that is for that 892 for the staff nurse code, the knowledge of customs and manners and dialects of Himachal Pradesh and suitable for the appointment in the peculiar condition privileging in the Himachal Pradesh. And the mode of selection for that staff nurse post, so the code number that is 892. So they are going to keep the objective type screening test, which is having 170 multiple choice questions. For the basic nursing question 120, and that remaining 50 questions from the various area like general knowledge, the general knowledge of Himachal Pradesh and current affairs of everyday science, logic, social science, and general English and general Hindi of metric standards. So this is that syllabus for that other 50 questions. And after completing the first part 1, we have the further 15 marks, that is for that various category they subdivided. If you are downloading the PDF file, you can go through and you can check for the further 15 marks how it will be given, and the instructions also they given for filling the exam application. I will attach this PDF file link also in down my description, or directly you can download from the official website. And here the exam fee. So this is the exam fee, completely you need to pay through the online mode only. Here for the various caste wise they given the exam fee, so you can go through for this examination fee, and you can according to your caste you can pay your fee through the online mode. And after submitting your application, the exam admit code also you can download from the official website. So at the last of this PDF file, if you are going through, you can see for that filling the exam application step by step process they have given. So first you need to go for the official website and you need to sign up for the page. Here I will show you how to enter into the official website. So for filling the exam application, go to that official website and directly you can see that sign up option in the above right side. Click that sign up option and there you can give the necessary details what they asked in the primary page. From this area you can give that valid mobile number and your password. You can create the password for the application, and the email ID also you need to give, and there you can go with the save option. Then again you can sign in and you can go through the further application process, and thereby the whatever that certificates they have asked, you need to upload those certificates and you can complete your application process. That's all. This is the way to apply for that post from that HSPPS, and thanks for joining with me. Thank you.